As the LUH comes in for a small radius turn, the pilots will experience high G loading as they make the turn with a high bank angle, demonstrating the excellent handling qualities and performance capabilities. Piloting the LUH today, we have Wing Commander Anil Bhambani, retired, who is a seasoned test pilot with more than 6,000 hours of flying to his credit. Sharing the cockpit with him is Wing Commander S.P. John, retired Vayu-Sena Medal and Chief Test Pilot Rotary Wing HAL, who has amassed more than 7,500 hours of flight. The pilots now get ready to perform the rearward flight, culminating in the accelerating tail-up hover. The LUH proceeding rearwards with a unique tail rotor design, allowing it to handle strong winds in any direction. And there it is, the tail-up hover, showcasing the razor-sharp response and control power available to the pilot.
Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to observe the LUH accelerating and positioning itself to demonstrate two sharp stall turns. This chopper has the markings of a winner as it will now pull up to perform a marvelous maneuver, the stall turn. Climbing up steeply as it bleeds its speed to zero and with a sharp rudder turn accelerating downwards. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen, performing the signature maneuver once again right in front of us. These maneuvers are the hallmark of a versatile helicopter which are made possible by its unique design. ಇದೊಂದು ಶುಭ ಗಳಿಗೆ. ಇಡೀ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಜನತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಣಿಕೆ ನೀಡುತ್ತಿರುವ ಒಂದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಸಂದರ್ಭ. ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನಗೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಿರುವ ಈ ಹೆಲಿಕಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ತುಮಕೂರು ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿಯೇ HAL ನಿಂದ ಸ್ಥಾಪಿಸಲ್ಪಟ್ಟ ಏಷ್ಯಾದ ಅತಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಹೆಲಿಕಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಕಾರ್ಖಾನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಸಿದ್ಧಪಡಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತ ಮಾತೆಗೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಕುವರಿ ನೀಡುತ್ತಿರುವ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಮಹತ್ವದ ಕೊಡುಗೆ ಎಂದು ವಿನಯದಿಂದ ತಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸಲು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಎನಿಸುತ್ತದೆ.
LUH दुनिया के सबसे ऊंचे युद्ध क्षेत्र सियाचिन ग्लेशियर पर उतरने की काबिलियत रखता है. आत्मनिर्भर भारत के दृष्टिकोण के तहत LUH हेलीकॉप्टर डिजाइन और निर्माण में भारत की बढ़ती ताकत का प्रतीक है.
This marks the end of a brilliant display by LUH. Ladies and gentlemen, please give the wonderful pilots a big wave and a big round of applause.